Founded in 1946 by two brothers, skilled in hand beveling and silvering, Cooling Brothers began as a small specialised workshop committed to traditional glass craftsmanship. From design to delivery, we offer the full spectrum of glass production, coast to coast around Australia. Cooling Brothers has grown into a leading national glass supplier, with manufacturing facilities strategically located in Perth, Melbourne and Sydney. Our commitment to innovation is what transformed Cooling Brothers from a traditional glass processor into a complete glass solution provider. From investing early in world-class Forel machinery to adopting industry-first techniques in lamination, digital printing and IGU productions. We've continued to push the boundaries of what's possible in glass. I asked what product trends had traction in Europe that hadn't yet reached Australia. Double glazed units, custom lamination and photovoltaic glass. Over time, that foresight enabled us to evolve into a complete glass solution provider, offering advanced laminated products, high-performance IGUs, and emerging energy-efficient solutions. The result is not just a physical structure, but a landmark memorial, a glass tribute that embodies respect, resilience, and national honour. Our product range is one of the most comprehensive in the country. We offer everything from toughened and laminated glass to high-performance IGUs, digitally printed glass, custom curved glass, and architectural specialty solutions. Our reputation has been built over decades, and it continues to grow because we deliver what matters: innovation, speed, reliability, and an unwavering focus on quality. The defining reason for choosing Forel has always been their ability to offer complete, value-add solutions that align with our long-term vision. Forel machinery has supported us to enter new markets, from custom lamination and high-performance IGUs to edge processing lines. Their forward-thinking technology allowed us to adopt new capabilities as they emerge globally, often ahead of the curve in the Australian market. What has truly set Forel apart is the exceptional reliability of their equipment. Minimal downtime and consistent machine performance has played a crucial role in keeping our operations efficient and our lead times competitive. Equally important is the relationship we have built with the Forel team, as well as the extended network of aligned equipment suppliers. In glass manufacturing, your finished product is only as good as the equipment behind it and the people who know how to use it. In an industry where tolerances are tight, deadlines are tighter, and customers' expectations are constantly rising, relying on low-grade or outdated machinery is a risk we cannot afford. Machines like those from Forel have enabled us to achieve consistently high standards in lamination, IGU production, as well as digital printing, sorting, and curved glass from other supply lines. Beyond the advanced functionality, they offer the most valuable advantage of all: reliability. Downtime is costly, not just in lost hours, but in customers' trust. To business considering the next investment, choose machines that will grow with your business, not ones you will outgrow. Partner with suppliers who understand your needs, offer long-term support, and build relationships, not just transactions.